Question number 8. Geometry. You can also use the substitution strategy here. Suppose that the perimeter of a rectangle floor is 90 feet. Find the dimension of the floor of the length is 4 times the width. Okay. So I'm going to start with try to draw. So it's rectangle. We need to visualize what's going on here. Length, the width. And they say the perimeter of a rectangle is 90 feet. We use the formula. 2 lengths, we have 2 here, plus 2 widths, we have 2 on those sides. And then they mention about the dimension of the floor. If the length is 4 times the width, 4 times the width. Okay, we have 2 equations here that we need to satisfy. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to write here P is equals to 2L plus 2W. And here is length is equals to 4 times the width. We remember that perimeter is 90 feet. So the value of our P it's 90. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to write here 90. Okay, equals to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 times the width. The answer is supposed to be 90. Choice A. The length is 15. 2 times 15 is 30. And the width is 30. 2 times 30 is 60. 30 plus 60 is 90. They match. Now, let's see if it satisfies the next equation here. The length is 15 is equals to 4 times the width is 30. 4 times 30, it's 120. It's not equals to 15. So choice A, it's not an answer. Okay. Next, choice B. The length is 9. And the width is 36. So 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 36. So let's try 36 times 2. It's 12. Carry 1. This is 672. Now 18 plus 72. It's 90. 90. Okay. Let's verify if this works here. So 4 times 36 and length is 18. Without compute or solving it, do you think 4 times 36 is equals to 18? Okay. That's the question. So 36 times 4, this is 4, carry 2, this is 12 plus 2, it's 144. It's not equals to 18. So it's not letter B. Letter C. 36. Length is 36. and the width is 9. So 2 times 36. So 36 and 2 times is 12, carry 1, 6, 72. 2 times it's 18, plus 18, 72 plus 18, it's 90. It matches our equation. Let's verify here. The length is 36. 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36 equals 36. Both, and the answer is satisfy both equations.